Alright, so let's search for pandas columns. What do we get? Oh. We get pandas.Dataframe.columns. Dataframe.columns returns the column labels of the data frame. Alright, so let's import pandas as PD, import numpy as np. I'm going to create an index is PD date range starting from 1/1/2000 and periods is 8. Alright, and then we can create a data frame. df is PD data frame, np random normals, 8×3, so it generates some random data. The index we assign to index, which we just created, and the columns are A, B, C, and that's it actually. Alright, so df columns simply is an attribute which gives us back the index of the columns, and if we want it as a list, we can make it toList, and we get it back as a list. If we go to the essential functionality, it actually says that these attributes can be safely assigned to. So what we can do, for example, is we can say df columns is, and then we're going to go for a list comprehension, x lower for x in df columns. So we're going to loop over the x's in df columns, and we're going to make it lowercase. If we now look at df columns, we see that they are lowercase.